walking in there, it feels like a grand entrance when you first walk in.
That's exactly what we wanted. Yeah. The grand entrance.
Shona thought the quality of the room was amazing.
Absolute knockout execution. You have a look down here, that's all mitered. And it doesn't feel like it's hurried.
Oh.
And this is meticulous. And I think that's what we're going to see a lot from this couple.
Clearly done by perfectionists. That'd be you two, wouldn't it?
Yep.
Are you going to cry again?
No, I'm not. Stop it.
It's beautiful.
You might later.
Oh, OK.
I haven't got there yet, I don't know.
It's light, it's bright, it's spacious, it ticks all the boxes in terms of functionality.
For these judges, functionality is key. Face level storage, a must. And on that, you got a big tick.
The storage here is 2 drawers and
Then we've got the 2 mirrored cabinets.
the selections are knockouts. And it's so simple.
It's actually ample.
They did, however, find one perfection malfunction.
It's funny, if you stand here, you can see that the floor tile doesn't work with that line. The floor and wall tiles are all out by about this much.
Just that much, yeah.
Wouldn't that drive you insane?
Which would probably only bother someone with OCD, they said, but can't be unseen once you notice it.
Shana, I so wish you hadn't pointed it out. Because now I can't stop looking at it. It's a very polite bathroom.
Ooh.
In a building that was never polite. They need to, every now and again, take a little bit of a risk.
I don't know how to, really.
Something that's just memorable, that you're going to walk in and go, ah, that's that bathroom, that when it's on your marketing brochure, it looks fantastic in a photograph. I would just like to see that they up the luxe factor. It's not just black, white and grey.
So, overall, a very confident room that has been delivered to a very high level. It just feels like it needs some more personality to work in the St Kilda setting. But that's something you can all discuss tomorrow when you sit down with them all. That is, if you still want to do that after this feedback.
We know architecture and design, but putting the interior design all together in one package, I'm waiting to speak to the judges because I'm confused.
The first question I'll be asking them is, what direction do you think we should be taking with this apartment? Who do you think we should be appealing to?
We're going to have a very interesting meeting tomorrow.